Parfois j'aimerais mourir tellement j'ai voulu croire. Parfois j'aimerais mourir pour plus jamais te revoir.
Hi guys, what is up? Welcome and welcome back. So right now, this was suggested by a subscription that I should react to the big push, Bongo Bang. Right? This is also my first time even hearing of this song. So I'll check it out right now. Let's see what the big push is up to. And note briefly, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So without further ado, let's see what this suggestion is all about.
You're smiling. Okay.
Mama was queen of the mambo, Papa was king of the Congo. Deep out in the jungle, I start banging my first bongo. Every monkey like to be in my place instead of me. I'm the king of bongo, baby, I'm the king of bongo bongo.
This dude is dope. He's very dope. Right? Everything this man drops, it's a banger. It's a banger. As a Jamaican friend, bro, this is dope, man. Right? This is pure bars. Let's continue.
I went to the big town where there is a lot of sound. From the jungle to big city looking for a bigger crowd. But I play my boogie for the people of big city, but they don't go crazy when I'm banging on my boogie. I'm the king of the bongo, king of the bongo. Hear me when I come, baby, king of the bongo.
Hey! Hey! Guys! Ren, my G. You are a masterpiece with these things, man. Right? You always seems to give us an impressive side of you. And I'm also ready to hear the another dark, like the next grimy side of you, bro. I am willing to hear that side of you, man. Because I guess this is just a small part of what you can do. I know you can do more, but this is just a small part, right? Let's continue this fire.
King of the bongo bong. Hear me when I come. They say that I'm a clown, making too much dirty sound. They say there is no place for little monkey in this town, so I play my boogie for the people of big city, but they don't go crazy when I'm banging on my boogie. I'm the
That's dope, bro. That's dope, man. Hey, let's continue.
king of the bongo, king of the bongo bong. Hear me when I come, baby. King of the bongo, king of the bongo bong. Hear me when I come.
Hey, that guitar skills ain't normal, man. I always seems to find fun, to find pleasure, to find an enthusiasm in this guitar skills. You always play with joy, you always play with love, you always play with happiness. Oh, I feel so happy. Let's continue. This is great. This is so great, guys. This is so great. Whoa. Whoa. Let's continue.
Je ne t'aime plus, mon amour. Je ne t'aime plus tous les jours. Je ne t'aime plus, mon amour. Je ne t'aime plus tous les jours.
Hey, hey. The synchronizing of these three is very powerful, right? What to stop it? Nothing. Hey, man. This is good. Like, absolutely good. Hey, hey, guys, please, please, please. Thank you so much for your suggestion, bro. I do love it. Let's continue.
Parfois j'aimerais mourir tellement j'ai voulu le croire. Parfois j'aimerais mourir pour ne plus rien avoir. Parfois j'aimerais mourir pour plus jamais te voir. Car je ne t'aime plus, mon amour. Parfois j'aimerais mourir tellement j'ai voulu le croire. Parfois j'aimerais mourir pour plus jamais te revoir.
This guy, he ain't real. He's just not the type of guy who is realistic. Trust me. This is dope, bro. Real dope. I mean, like, these three men collaborating together. It's off the roof, bro. It's off the roof, bro. Let's go.
Parfois j'aimerais mourir pour ne plus rien savoir. Non, je ne t'aime plus, mon amour. Je ne t'aime plus, mon amour. Je ne t'aime plus tous les jours.
Banging on my booty, oh that swing belongs to me. I'm so happy there's nobody in my place instead of me. I'm a king without a crown, hanging loose in a big town. Cause I'm the king of bongo, baby, I'm the king of bongo bongo. King of the bongo, king of the bongo bongo.
Hey, hey, yeah, absolutely crazy, bro. This is so good. Like, this is insanely good. I love it. I love it. I love the tune. I love the vibe. I love everything, man.
Hear me when I come, baby. King of the bongo, king of the bongo. Hear me when I come, baby. King of the bongo, king of the bongo. Hear me when I come, baby. King of the bongo, king of the bongo.
Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Another great, well done job, Byron. Hey, mate. Thank you so much for your suggestions. I never really knew that this was existed until you suggested it to me. Please state your next suggestion that I should react to it next. I'll see you that time around. Peace. Love from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. I'll see you next time. I'm out.